Hello, puppies. Hello, puppies. Come on. There's little girl number 1 and little girl number 2. See, there's little girl number 3 and little girl number 4. And here's little boy number 1. Oh, listen at him. That's boy number 1. And boy number 2. And then here is boy number 3. What you doing, puppies? Go play. Go play. There you go, Rietta. Well, stop and pet them every now and then so they can catch you. Sit down there. Holler for this one here, too.
Come here, puppy, puppy, puppy. Come here, puppy, puppy.
There she goes.
That's a good puppy.
Now get up and walk around so I can watch them. Walk that way so they don't come toward me. Walk. Walk. Go slow.
They're standing like bigger dogs.
Who is this? That's little boy number 4. Nope, 3. I'm sorry. Little boy number 3.
You bite it, bite it. Bite one first. Bop, 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 bop. Here, little puppy, bop, 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 mom. Mommy, mommy. Take a picture. Here, little mommy. I'm gonna punch you. Here, little puppy, puppy, bop, bop, puppy. Oh, little puppy. Oh, little puppy. Oh, little puppy. Oh, little.
Be careful.
Oh, little puppy.
Look at him. No, you're going too quick for him. He can't catch you. That's little boy. 2 boys. The 2 orange boys. Boy 2 and 3. There they go again. That's little girl number 2 holding on. Don't, you got me wrapped up. Girl number 2. Boy number 1.
You little puppy, you got me.
What you doing? That's girl number 3.
Mom messed up her arm whenever you talked. She was telling me.
Molly, quit that. Good girl. There's boy number 1. And girl number 1. Who is this one here? What you doing, puppy, puppy, puppy?
And what number 1?
This is girl number 3, I believe. Yes, I believe. Yep. Girl number 3. Look here. Hello, pretty girl.
Mama, I got a good name for this boy right here. The brown boy, Rascal.
He's a rascal, huh?
You like monkey boy?
That's a boy, yep.
Oh, Rascal, Rascal. I think I'll call you Rascal. I think I'm not calling you. Those. You're the one, I'll call you. Those. Come on, Those. No. Come on, puppy, puppy. Come on, Oreo. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Mom, I think I'll call him right here. Mom, I think I'll call him right here. Look, Mom, I think I'll
Come
call
on, puppy, puppy, puppy. Be careful, don't step on her.
Rascal.
There she comes.
No,
Let him. We'll play with all of them, Jake. Here comes girl number 4.
It wanted little puppy.
She's gonna play with the rope too.
And your name? Monkey. I named one of y'all Monkey. I wonder which one I named Monkey. I know it's a boy. If it's, yeah. If it's
That's a girl. That's a girl.
Then I called him Monkey.
Yeah, that's...
You. Punky. Punky. I hear Punky.
Well, we can't name them.
Oreo. This is Oreo. I know. I'm just naming myself Monkey.
Tom, stand up and play with her with the rope. Jacob had her over there playing with her. Let her walk around so I can video her. There she goes. She wants to play with it. Pull it slow. Pull it. She says she's done with it. Oop.
Mommy, my piece of milk.
She went for it that time. Now let her chew on it. Let her play with it.
He just want to play with it. Oh my God,